YouTube? So today I'm gonna bring you guys a POV style video, just going on a little drive on the back roads by my house. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this. But anyways, I guess I could just talk to you guys for this short little part right here. How the Wonder's doing. So the Wonder, I finally hit 50,000 miles on the car. It's leaking oil from the turbo, it looks like. And my turbo, the wastegate is rattling a little bit. So it's either time for a new turbo upgrade. I'm assuming new turbo. I'm most likely gonna get an upgraded one, because why would I settle for the same factory performance or the performance I have right now when I can get an upgraded one for not too expensive. Pure Stage 1 is a possibility, especially since Pure Turbos is located in Oceanside, which is about an hour away from here. So that would be very convenient. I would like to do it myself. But yeah, so I'm assuming that's why the car was making low boost, like I had said. But let's just hope this Audi does not go the same direction that I'm going, because that would just really just be a bummer. And they aren't. But yeah, guys, so like I was saying, let's get it, guys. Fuck, and there's another damn car. These roads back behind my house too as well, they are very busy, so it's kind of hard to he's turning off. It's kind of hard to film back here sometimes, but try our best. Scared the living shit out of me, especially if I would have fucking hit the guy. Whew. But we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna go review this footage, hopefully it looks good. Then we'll turn around. Shouldn't be anyone coming back this way. But if you guys wanna see the lake, that's over there, you guys can see that. I really wanna go like a bigger single turbo. Preferably a top mount dock race kit would be awesome, but you know, that is extremely out of my budget at the moment. I know Vargas Vargas Turbos, they are coming out with a bottom mount kit that is going to be a factory replacement, so it bolts up to the factory downpipe and whatnot. So like I was saying, I wanted to get a Vargas, they're coming out with a bottom mount setup with the GT 3071 style turbo, which is the size down from the turbo I have on the Evo. They're speculating about 600 wheel out of that turbo, obviously with all the supporting mods, you know, fuel injection, upgraded fuel pump, possibly their shotgun high pressure fuel pump, which I think makes a lot more sense since it's running off of, it's belt driven instead of running off of whatever it runs off of now, I forgot. But anyway, something like that would be awesome for this car, make some good power. I would love to see like 500 wheel. I saw like Big Boost also has a turbo kit, 500 wheel on like 19 psi or something like that, which would be, or 18 psi, which would be awesome, you know. But anyways, that would be something I'd really like to do. But we are still trying to get the Evo up and running. The transmission should be built or finished up soon, in about a week and a half or so. Hopefully get that installed. I really miss driving that car. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this POV style video. My brother's letting me borrow his GoPro, so I'll try to get some more of these videos out to you guys if you guys really do like that. And I do have E85 in here as well, so the car's making a little bit more power. And yeah, guys, let's get it started. Raise the windows a little bit. I also hate these potholes that are back right here as well. But yeah, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed that little drive. And yeah, so we're pretty much done. Yeah, guys, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it came out pretty good. If you guys like it, you know, like I said, let us know down in the comments below. We'd love to hear back from you guys. And yeah, so stay tuned for more on Primus Auto Works, guys. Peace.